Hi, I'm Suzanne Trupin. I'm a yoga teacher at Hatha Yoga and Fitness. We will be offering an online course to teach you the fundamentals of pranayama or yoga breathing. The classes are going to be 30 minutes long. I will include a prologue for you, but the formal classwork will be 10 classes long. The first 3 are the most foundational, and we'll get into deeper practices after the first 3 classes. The foundational principle of yoga breathing incorporates some mindfulness as well as a few gentle yoga movements. The classes themselves will have some simple postures to prepare your body. We hope that you will begin the classes in a place of relaxation and even more relaxed than you started. You won't need very many props. Simple props like a blanket or a pillow cushion would actually do. We say that pranayama is a practice of self-regulation. It regulates your attention, your moods, your emotions, and helps you turn within. Breath work is something you can always come back to at times of stress or anxiety. But breath work also is a fundamental anti-aging principle that helps you live better, live well, function better in the gym. It's really for all of us. We think that this breathwork practice should be a gentle practice. Expect some slow growth. It should not be a struggle. When you breathe in and out and you have any difficulties, or if you have any medical conditions that should impair your ability to take part in this class, of course, check with your own physician. But during the classwork, if you're finding yourself getting into too much air hunger, of course, you can just take a break, back off, go at your own pace. The point is learning. What we are going to teach are 4 basic principles of breath work. Breath location. Where are you feeling this breath in your body? Breath duration. The durations of your inhales and exhales. The ratio. The timing of the amount of inhaling in and exhaling out. And we will be varying that as we get into some of the more advanced breath work. And the rhythm of your breath. When we do our yoga vinyasa classes, we are syncing our breath with movement. But breath work itself, the pranayama itself, has rhythm to it. And you'll be learning a little bit about this. I hope you will enjoy us. Look on our Mind Body app for the course. We will be opening enrollment in a couple of weeks. And in the words of Muriel Rukeyser, a 20th century poet and activist, breathe in experience, breathe out poetry. And I hope this pranayama practice will bring a little bit of that to you. Namaste.